What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm here with Jonathan, heading over to Erlan's place right now, and pretty much we're gonna work on the $300 BMW. So let's see if we can get this thing running and driving and all the windows operating, you know, properly. Yeah. Obviously we drove the car the other day, but it was in no means in a healthy condition to be driven. So we're gonna go ahead and do all that. Once you replace the gaskets, go ahead and try to do an oil change. Try to do as much things as possible. But yeah, without further ado, we'll catch you guys when we're there.
What's up, man?
Brother?
Doing work, huh?
Erlan found a couple good deals here. He got all 4 windows for 200 bucks. We could probably get a better deal, but these are already tinted, which is like, if you wanted to tint all 4 windows, it'd be like 100 to 200 bucks anyways. The reason why he wants them tinted is because the rear windshield's tinted, these little quarters are tinted, so you know, it just makes it all match perfectly. He also has some headlight housings. These are like the front caps for him. If you guys see the actual headlights right now. So yeah, pretty much the headlights work. It just needs the front glass piece. So we're just gonna go ahead and put on a new glass piece, and hopefully everything's good to go on that. And we're gonna drain all the coolant, start some of the maintenance. Without further ado, let's just get into it. Shakiness is real.
I don't know where my handle is, bro.
Damn, it's leaking heck of oil. It looks like water. Oh, it's coolant?
Huh?
That's coolant? You see oil like all around that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys can see oil is already past all the seals, and I'm sure coolant got past everything too. So we gotta get that replaced ASAP. You can actually see it's melted all the way around right here. That's over there is good, but it's down there mostly. What's going on, girl? Erlan went inside, so I think I'm gonna take you. High five, girl. High five. I love you so much. You are so, no, high five. Yeah. You are so cute. High five. High five. Oh, okay. Okay, now you're good. Alright guys, about to go dip in the E46. Erlan's gonna finally see the M3 interior. And we're gonna go to Walmart, get some distilled water and some brake cleaner. So yeah, let's dip out. No lights on the dash, guys. Let's head out. Guys, that guy right there in the truck tried coming up to us and scamming us, but Erlan didn't have it. He said, let's go. He's like, I'm too good for him. And then he asked me for something else that's very inappropriate. So anyways, we're going into Walmart. We're gonna pick up some distilled water, and we're gonna also pick up brake cleaner. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that. Just cat food randomly. We got some Pepsi. This is very unhealthy, but what you gonna do? You can do that. Are you serious? Oh, what the?
What the?
What was that, dude? I thought I was gonna see some crazy. Oh man, she wasn't even impressed. It's not bad, but it would be way better at night, you know? What? Come on, bro, you get it? What are you talking about? Drop the milk. Are you good, bro? Oh, it's so sick, dude.
How many of those do you have?
What the heck? Girl, you just dumped over my soda? Bro, I want to get one of those for a picture, like, you know, a photo shoot. Oh, I think your car's smoking, bro.
Holy crap.
Why is it green?
It must be brilliant coolant.
Dude, it looks bad, bro. All right, guys, Erlan's putting on the new gasket. Oh, you already put it on.
Look at the old.
Oh my goodness, that is
hard.
Gone. That will crack like it's nothing. This one looks really good already. Well, that was the only major issue with this car. So after this, it's just all cosmetics. So you just pretty much, clean that out.
Yeah, cleaned it out.
Clean out the expansion tank. Put in a new oil filter housing gasket. And just want to run some distilled water to clean it all off, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool, cool. Guys, now we're getting the battery, right?
Yeah.
That's the last thing we need to start it up, and then should be good. Hey, got a new battery. Pop the truck, okay.
Truck's fine.
Really? Go, cool.
Battery, oil filter housing gasket, and then that's it.
I love when other people vlog. Jonathan, you should pull out your camera and like all 3 of us have our backs to each other and just vlog. Alright guys, so what's going on? Guys, it's on right now. New gasket. It's gonna need some coolant for sure, but yep. I guess that's coolant. Bro, what you doing? He doesn't care. Guys, this sounds so healthy. Yeah, turbos, man. Probably, well, imagine it's a single turbo on the bottom. That'd be crazy.
We're using hose water, not because we're broke. We're gonna scam somebody, but
yeah,
we gotta flush all this nasty stuff that was in there and mix with the coolant through the whole system. So we'll probably run this for a day or two and then dump it all and then run the coolant with the still.
Yeah, he's just honestly cleaning out all the hoses and stuff because you guys saw it had oil in it. That's because of the valve cover, not the valve cover, the oil filter housing gasket. So yeah, we're just cleaning out all the oil. Make sure everything's cleaned up, and then we're gonna go ahead and put distilled water and coolant. All right, guys, the bleeding procedure is done. We're gonna just go ahead and take it out for a spin, and Erlan's gonna drive it for like, I don't know, 10 minutes, something like that, just to see if the car overheats. We're gonna go through all the gears, make sure everything's actually perfect. The first night we got it, we didn't want to drive it far, and that's why we didn't actually make a video that day, like an in-depth video, because we wanted to change all the fluids. He drained everything. And we're just, yeah, take it on the block and just check if everything's okay. This dog's a model. Let's go. All right, peace out, man. It was nice knowing you. Deuces. Hey guys, everyone's inside. About to take it out for a spin. Look at that, starts up no issues.
You're gonna have to move this for you.
Nah, I like all my legroom, Jonathan. All right. So far, so good. It says the trunk's open, but dang, these guys bashing down these streets.
No, they piss me off because they always run and like put my dog was in the street.
Yeah.
I'm used to 335.
Nah, it feels normal.
Feels normal.
As long as RPMs don't go crazy.
Yeah. Well, I have a manual too, so I don't really know.
No, it's good. It looks good.
That's just see that diet.
Bugs, bro.
Might be a little bit skinny.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, heck no.
On this game, porn game.
All these people are looking at us like, what are you driving? Windshields busted out, doors all messed up. Yeah, no windows on this thing.
He's like, I see you, playboy. Yep, it's a Beamer.
Let's go ahead and check everything is good, y'all.
Still a lot of oil in there. We'll flush that out a few more times.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this bumper off so Erlan can get these headlights out and restore them. In the meantime, Erlan's actually getting all these wheel locks off. He has always an interesting method towards everything. So he hammered in a socket and he's using a gun to get them out. So Erlan knows how to do this, guys. I don't understand what that was going on. Anyways, I'll get back to my easy stuff, which is removing the bumper. So. Okay, if it was me, I would have got new headlights, but Erlan, he's a magician. He's gonna go ahead.
He thinks he's a magician.
He thinks, yeah.
He thinks he can fix
That's the right
this.
terminology. So he thinks he can fix that, but I bet that he can't. So he's gonna show me next week if he can. He got the lenses for only 20 bucks, brand new. So he's like, it's worth giving it a shot. I say they're not even worth it, but hey, he wants to prove me wrong. Right. So let's see.
I mean, look at, dude, I don't.
The next time we see him,
I don't know, dude. It's like this one.
How much do you think he's gonna do it or not?
Bro,
knowing
honestly,
Erlan, he's determined.
He's determined.
There's no way. I'm betting my whole life. Hey guys, this is actually a week later. So Erlan's been working on the car. He has figured out some new things that are not so good about it and some new things that he's super excited about. So we're just gonna take you guys down there and check out what's going on, the progress on the car, and what we're gonna be doing to it next. Guys, I just noticed my neighbors, I think, picked up a really old, either 5 Series or 7 Series, but it looks super clean, really good shape. As soon as he comes out, I'm gonna have to talk to him about that. That's crazy. But anyways, we gotta head out. We got a mission to do. We got a mission to go on. We're trying to also get this thing smog. So hopefully we can get this $300 BMW to pass smog. Emotional guy, you guys. I'm a very emotional dude. Oh my lord. Look at the $300 BMW, guys. Dang, guys, look at that. He has all 4 windows put in himself. And then the windshield, they got it installed. What the hell? And he just picked up these headlights as well, which is absolutely crazy. So technically, from what you guys last saw, he'll tell you guys the prices of everything. but the headlights are in, windshield's in, all 4 windows, I think. What happened? What is that? Chill. Damn, bro, those headlights are fire. Look, hella good. Did you open them up or not?
Yeah.
You opened them up and you put like halos? That actually looks so good. What the heck? Dang, what the hell? Oh, these are OEM or aftermarket? Aftermarket. Oh, these actually look good aftermarket ones. Wow. Dang. That actually looks super sick. So yeah, headlights. You said you got them for 20 bucks? No way. New windshield. We got the hookup on this. You get about like 200 bucks for any windshield on any of our BMWs. We have a guy for that, so if you guys are wondering, hit us up. And then it looks like you have 2 out of the 4 windows installed, yeah. So he has all 4 windows, but guys, look at that. No more glass everywhere. It looks super clean. It's finally drivable. We're gonna take this out for a spin, hopefully in a little bit, and then we're gonna hopefully go get it smogged, but yeah. And he got what? You never even told me about that. No way, dude. Yeah, it's pretty much all it needs now is just the body work. He has the 2 windows with him. If he just does a little body work, wrap it, it's done. What the hell? Oh yeah, he trying to flex right here. He put in a lot of work, guys, into this engine bay.
This guy had cobwebs, oil and stuff. Check that out.
It's like restored to mint condition. Let me show you guys one on a better angle. Yeah, that's crazy. And you guys knew this gasket, look at that, it looks brand new.
Cleaned up all that oil that leaked down there. And believe it or not, he already had a new oil, new belt tensioner, new belt. You can tell these are new.
Really?
Yeah. So, and then this
oh yeah,
hose
it's not
is
cracked
new.
up and
It
stuff.
still has like the BMW. So like he did a lot of maintenance, but he just never did that one.
I think he was hoping.
Told him like
he was.
$800
Yeah, he was hoping it was anything but, you know, the stuff that it was. Thankfully, AC works. We're inside the car. Glass isn't all over our faces like last time. Windows are in on my side. I'm good. You're gonna enjoy the fresh air.
Hot air.
Fresh hot air. But yeah, we're just gonna head over to smog. The only light we have is a brake light. I don't know if you guys can see that. So hopefully this thing passes. All right, guys, we're finally finished with this Toyota, whatever the hell that thing is. Sienna. And we're about to get our turn up in here in the hot smog. No, I'm kidding.
Oh, I'm going to jail.
We have like both no doubts in our minds that it will fail. We're just waiting and trying to get the best deal. I know this smog is 60 bucks. You have one in Sacramento that's only 20 bucks, pass or no pay. So probably gonna head out there, but he's gonna check if his computers are ready over here real quick. So did they say yeah?
Yeah, I told me to leave the car here with the keys in the car and then he'll run the monitors.
All right, so we have the dip.
Yeah.
You passed our line?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Why do you even have the seat unbolted? Oh, you vacuumed, right?
I was vacuuming it up and stuff.
All right, guys, we just got back. Past smog, no issues. $78 though.
That's expensive.
That's expensive, yeah. But yeah, that's that. Now we just gotta put on some windows, these 2 windows, and we can start doing the body work, which I'm pretty excited about. So if you guys are excited about that, let us know. If you guys are excited to see more and you guys wanna see what color Alon wraps the car, you're gonna upload some of this stuff on your channel, right?
Probably, yeah.
And then check out Alon's channel down below. He's gonna be uploading a lot, even if he moves to Texas. He's gonna be uploading a lot. So make sure you guys check it out. We're gonna hopefully do the body work, wrap, and make it look mint. So from $300 to what? We say $4,000 car?
Clean title, 120,000 miles.
Yeah.
Black interior.
Yeah.
Alright, $4 grand.
Honestly, so if you guys are excited for that, make sure to smash the like button. Without further ado, remember to stay humble. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth.